The irony isn't lost on anyone. Tipton is a county known for agriculture and home-to-food processing plants, and yet some residents feel the county is facing an issue with food access. J.D. Gray reports.
Nathan Kring is the director of the Tipton County Economic Development Organization.
We just had this building renovated, and it's going to get all new awnings.
He grew up in Tipton.
And then this is our butcher store. If you're looking for fresh produce or fresh meat or dairy besides a convenience store, this is about your only option. Yeah, this is it. This is it besides Marsh.
And that Marsh was purchased last week by an Ohio-based grocery chain, Fresh Encounter, Inc. The auction came after months of Marsh headlines that included the grocery chain selling its pharmacy and declaring bankruptcy. Fresh Encounter says it doesn't intend to close any of the stores it purchased from Marsh, including the Tipton location, even during the transition. This should come as a relief to Tipton's residents, because if they lost their store, they'd have to drive 25 minutes to the next county to reach the nearest comparable grocery store. But all of the what-ifs and the uncertainty about Marsh highlighted a problem in Tipton County. Food isn't easily accessible for everyone.
8,000 people live inside Cicero Township, which is the center township. But even people who are 2, 3, 5 miles from Marsh, we're finding out don't have a car or only have one vehicle for the entire family.
The current Marsh store is about a mile east of Tipton's courthouse. Kring points out that there aren't sidewalks or bike trails to get there.
And you're walking along highways. It's a little dangerous.
Kring says the butcher shop and Dollar General do very well, and he says a lot of money is spent at convenience stores.
There are a little more than 6,600 households in Tipton County. Last year, just a tad more than 3,300 people went to a convenience store and spent $100 or more, 4 times or more per month.
If you can get to a grocery store, you can buy a lot of groceries for $100 that would get you through many more meals than $100 at a convenience store is going to provide.
Stone studies the impact of grocery availability on public health.
You're not having a lot of healthy choices over the day if you're getting all your foods from a convenience store.
Stone says it's possible to eat healthy at a convenience store, but it takes work, and she says nutrition is important.
It's tied to cardiovascular disease, hypertension, higher stroke rate.
And Kring is concerned folks aren't getting the nutrition they need from the convenience stores.
Our unemployment rate is 3.3%, very low. But what I think is Tipton is underemployed. Mom and dad are earning $8 to $9 an hour, and they're just not able to live except on a shoestring budget. Moon pies and frozen pizza, and that's not good. It's leading to health issues.
But Stone says in her research, it's a variety of factors that can lead to health issues. As for a solution,
a lot of public health is trying to make the healthy choice, good food, the easy choice.
For Indiana News Desk, I'm J.D. Gray.
Fresh Encounter officials say they're planning to rebrand the store, and they want to keep the employees at the store, saying the employees are the biggest driver behind store success because they know the customer base, adding that they want to keep the one-on-one personal approach. As for customer to store accessibility, Fresh Encounter says it's still under consideration. Many of the Marsh locations were purchased by a Kroger subsidiary. Kroger is holding multiple job fairs across the state to find employees for its new store in Franklin Township, as well as targeting former Marsh employees who are looking for jobs.
I think we've got a lot of applicants coming in. In fact, we've actually been hiring for management since we're expanding Kroger. Kroger's a great opportunity right now to really grow in terms of careers.
The Kroger in Franklin Township opens in August. It seems like